Yo, right now you stress me out, you know. Feel like my mash up my phone, you know. Because me that the parties are good, they tell me say you them up in your yard. One this and one that. You drop off something for your yard and come back. And now me don't wait about 2 hours to see forward yet. You're brown, the man here keep on me, you know, up there, you know. I left a voice out up your phone and I hear your answer back, you know. You see if you not come in out tonight, what you go on? You not come back here, so. We come around them joke there. After they dance, you cock up and man and go on certain way and make me feel so good. Night and now. If you there, you know what I mean? I can't do my house by myself and now. You know what? When I get that voice note there, if you have a charter one car, charter it come, me pay it. If you have $10,000, me pay it. Right? Just do that.
Good night.
Good night. We have a couple of so close. What go on? What do you?
You know, so though, it's a place me look for stay because me and my friend catch up and she just put me out so. Because she have man problem and she fear man nah do it right and me tell her and she want come on me and that cuss me out.
Alright. Make I tell you something. You look at one nice young girl, you know, so step on the road so late in the night, yeah. Right? But apart from that, you see helping people and me and a friend. Because I help a girl the other day. A girl look like a man. You understand? That's why, you know, we don't want no man in my yard smart, you know. She act like man. And grateful little girl. You know what I mean? So that girl now will look like a man. Come with a plan. She come with a devious plan. But ja, find her out. You know what I mean? So she have to stay far from this compound. So you know I come here if you want help another night, you know. I go tell you something. I go help you tonight. You see by morning, you disappear before me even wake up. Because no matter because somebody do bad, me go hold against everybody else. You know what I mean? Everybody are not the same. Some people are witchcraft, my demon, them a virus. So instead of them plus in their life, then go minus. So that sink in your brain. But here now, my woman would have come tonight. So you can't come in the I&I room. There's a room them book out with 3 lovely ladies from country. Them girl, them you can't go nowhere with them. So even now, as a good Samaritan, I go give the veranda for yourself and give a sheep. Go out there and rough it out. Because you're not supposed to power the night here. I don't want nobody pull you away and onto your body. See a morning, up in there and try to find a yard. You see must always a place in home. Go back to where you come from. If you come out of work, yes, and go and bad, run back home at the first opportunity, not Tanya. And back food out of dog mouth. Go back home and strengthen yourself and come back full strength. You understand what I say? So as morning break, what you have to do?
Go home.
Yeah, go your yard.
But you know, so though, me know that type of person there who fit up what people do for me, you know. Because me look into things. When somebody have a good mind and a clear heart, I grasp to them.
Cut long story short, I'm going to tell you something. Here, you have time? Oh yeah, we have a little time. I'm going to tell you something. And when you listen to me cleanly, you see the girl where me help, when she come and say she bawl, alligator tears. I remember what somebody tell me. Why somebody tell me this? Listen what they tell me, say. You will help human being for 40 years. And one day you not help them, they forget what you do for them for 40 years. But if you help a dog for one day, 40 years later, the dog member say, they will feed him. But still like a one dog. Do, they help you one night, your member say me will help you. So if down the line we want to help, we all are human beings, must help each other. The one girl, I make you see her fat fry you, but I just explain something to you. Come and show you how you go stay. Anything at me here, you keep by your mouth. No, but you're not there, man, still. So come and show you how you go stay. No long time. Come.
Nice cat. Hi.
Let's jam the post. Come on.
You don't talk to me. Hi.
Here we go. You see there, so I know the routine just go a morning early. Them girl, the girl them go there dance, you know. For them just lock up. But the grill go lock the grill door. No matter what they want, they have different way to go in. They will find their way inside. But they mess to you now though. You see, I when they tell about you and your friend and when they put you out, not bring you come here so. You know what they tell man still. So man break, You go. What me say?
So you don't know.
Make a promise to me, I'll give you a sheet. Do you promise that at the morning, bright and early, you go yard? If you put it at the door if you're not listening. Now. Talk to me. Yes or no? Are you going to go in the morning?
Yeah.
Alright. Do we yard now? Get up a morning, I don't want to see more you go yard. I'm comfortable. If it's a brown girl coming in browning, you let her in. If an extra girl, let me in time to do it. Alright? Alright. We'll give you a sheet. Just sit down as well. Sit down as well. Okay, I'll sweet for you. I want you a sweet fast here. Alright? Alright, see your sheet here, young girl. And here what? I say one thing to you now, because you listen to me. If you piss Spanish sheet, you take it go on. Alright.
Hello. Hi. Oh, we are there, so. You know, said though, I just stayed one of my friend up there, so, but the girl put me out because she have man problem. And last night, I look somewhere for rent and we see the Rasta man and he said I can't sleep here, so right now I have to go get up and go look somewhere for go again. Make me help her now?
Yeah, you ain't nothing at all.
No, I'm not for a morning.
You must feel hungry. And I was just saying make you sleep and you have so much room, could I make you sleep?
Hey, me say, last night was cold.
Alright, go inside and go look some give me eat. Hey bro, just run you out, sir.
No, you see, I don't like mix up. And she the one mix me up. And true, me no want go into the mix up, she put me out.
Okay. What me I wonder though? That the man they don't normally letting people like that, cause even when we are coming and help if it rent a place. Or you just let you in so you make you even sleep on the veranda. You give him some medicine last night, man.
No, I'm not getting nothing, you know. It's just that my situation, he hear my story and he is sorry for me. So he just have to let me in. Even though it's so tough, I'm most comfortable sleeping a good while, not in a lie.
If you say so, you should make us sleep out this or do but I'm gonna say I can share a little food for you eat. I mean you look after a little breakfast here.
Alright.
Yeah, come, soon come.
You finished eat? Yeah.
So we are planning today, you know?
No, I'm planning right now, I'm stuck.
How stuck?
Means say, I don't know if you figure out, inside, we up, down, I don't know.
Right now I pay for one share talk. Why? I'm sorry for your condition. Situation really sticky. But you could stay here. Because if you don't want to, somebody sleep on one bed, the rest of them, nah, make it happen. And this a chair. If you ask the chair, you don't see her, but she so come because the chair will stay here. So I don't know how that will work out, to tell you the truth. I really want to help you, you know. If I behind you, I make you stay more while. But I can't, I go there during the whole time, and watch you like hawk.
So what's your name?
My name is Darlene.
Oh, see, I want them Barbie doll there too. The time you go to look.
My mother just called me, so come really love that when they come. I don't know Barbie doll business, that country come from.
I like your hair though, your hair nice.
Thank you very much. Kira.
Hmm? Oh, so your name Kira?
Yeah.
I like your earring them just a compliment your skin so.
Thanks.
All the tie head? It match with your color, you look nice. Your eyes them resemble my auntie, you're pretty bad. You know, so you're pretty too? Your face just brown and cool. How will you use for your face without I use it for food too?
You can't afford this yet. You know, if I just wake up, if I come see our problem, you know.
Sorry, no sir, I will bathroom there.
Go right around here so you see do by the way. And just turn to your left if anybody goes.
And she said, sun soon start shining. Watch out. Yeah, look a girl around there and gone. Yo, I just want a girl up on the veranda there, so. One look a young girl in there. Last night, in the middle night, after I come from dance, she tell me she wants to stay. And she the right there, so. I sleep and say, morning, I don't want to wake up and see you. If you give life in night, as daylight and cock crow, you go. And look at the girl that keep her word. She said, if you not see me a morning, because I have something to go. You see what I want to? You think so understand the right now. What good dog? Good morning.
Good man, morning. Morning.
We make arrangement, you know, so we not clean house, we not clean everything I'm done. And my house not clean, my room not clean it, but we not clean. We not cook, but we not left me some of my time. We not stick to no words, but everything good. But we good morning, eh?
We are here.
One thing you do, you know, we not catch my head, but we not full of argument though. Because we don't know what not all, you know. So now we go pay rent, but we know man.
Hey, me listen to tissue, you know, the tissue.
Where's the this man? Where's the last night? You, where are they at still? Where's the last night? Just as they break, you're gone. Where are they so now?
Let them let me in.
Wait.
Yeah, I wanna let me in, come, I never have nowhere to go. But my belly hurt me, where tissue there?
In the bathroom, up front of my window. Right, sir.
Oh, so I'm a new landlord now. I rent to no place. I want to take over the place now. None not sleep in the room there. So no position in my room. Apart from that, I left her out there so. All the carry her in here so.
Fire. The girl can hold and hold. Fire.
One way. Una take over things. Eh?
In here. Fire.
So talk to him.
Too much space.
What one beautiful lady? Come up, man. A man alone stay up on the front door, you know. Come in, man. What one?
Me there.
You're smiling, you know me?
Yeah, me always hear about you.
Yeah. So, how can I help you today, though?
I'm looking for a place to stay because I don't have nowhere to stay.
So, tell about me.
Me always hear about you. Me hear say you're a good man.
You see me now? I rent place, you know. You have money for rent place?
Yeah.
The place kind of full now still, you know. So, you know what I have to do? You have to take a number. And soon as the place is vacant,
Yes.
you can get space to stay. Anywhere you sleep, you can just sleep there until the place come here between me and you. I have some girl that will soon left. You know what I mean? Then they put eyelash and then on the manners. So you have to try get few two more girls because my rent and I want small rent down there, so you know. My rent up, yes sir. You understand? Just like you're short, I don't want when I rent time. You come short. So you have to have some friends to make you up. You understand? So you good. Good. You good like you. Me see you have a good spirit, a good energy. No sir word. Just check me back. Give me a number. Ring my phone. My phone now. Me can't back up and down now. Ring my number. And me get your number.
Why your number?
825 1926. And please don't give no eyeglass my number. Don't give nobody my number. It's when just call me. Ring my phone now. Ring my phone. Me here. It ring, yeah man. So more save a number now. I'm for call you. Havana.
Yeah.
Alright, Havana. Take your time, go on home or whatever you stay for now. But remember,
Yeah.
I promise you, I'm soon gone.
Alright.
So space go be there.
Yeah.
So just get some friends to help me make up and pay the rent because me no rent the place that way there. so?
Why? I feel happy this morning, man.
So where you happy so?
Oh, really?
Oh, you know, easy, you know.
And you know,
You still on the room?
yeah, I'm still in the room. Why you ask?
No, because through them vehicle spacious. You have room, veranda, and all in it.
So we can live in our vehicle.
Have you a vehicle now?
Yes.
Lucky girl. Eh? I like, me like where's up in a life, you know. Me like it, because you come here walking foot and now you're in a big vehicle. Them say any man there for a long time, I don't care about no business, but here what? I say that nigga give the rent money. Because the rent due, you know, because tomorrow, a new month.
So, oh, me for pay rent, I'm not sleeping here how much do you know? Me a sleep in my vehicle. That not right.
Oh. Yeah, see, in a man vehicle out there. But what me I say, if you do, take your things and go put in the vehicle then. Take your things and put in the vehicle then, if that's the case. You're not going to joke, you know. You want to joke, you know. You're good, though.
Yeah, man, be good.
I'm your cat, sir.
Yeah, some of you, yeah.
No, man. Give your friend them, man. I'm a good man. But the one thing, one rent. That's my rent. By tomorrow. I'm a good man.
What time tomorrow? So me can't, you know, say me go.
You see,
rent
as
and go
the
be the
cock
commitment.
say, I can't have me give me rent, man. Everything good. I'm not sleep a man in there. You're good, though.
Yeah, man.
Talk to your friend. Me tell me with them too, you know. Because they have a new girl in here, you know. When you go in there, you see what I go on. A new girl didn't know.
Lie.
So I don't know your rent, I go up. So I go and go figure it out. Don't discuss it amongst one another and figure out about the girl in there.
Well, see my rent here.
Huh?
I give my rent money.
From today?
From today. I secure
Alright,
my spot.
Alright, so talk to them.
Yeah.
Talk to them. Talk to them.
Fire! Fire! I don't like all the money, you know. Every time me I call him, he not answer. Fire!
Come here now.
Me I go look about the work where they tell me about.
I want them folks to do the car. You go along and tell about that work there. But anyway, go and go check them. The things that them do around there.
I call you and ask if you can give me more money to pay me fare, because I don't have no money. You lend me?
Me I lend you, just like how a bank lend you money.
Eh?
When I lend you 100 pay fare, when pay bill come, you want me $1,000 by that time.
So you going to take it back from me?
Hello, what I'm saying?
Alright, sorry, give me it.
Me say me I lend you.
Oh yeah, lend me, you not give me.
And when me lend you money, I expect interest. I lend, what's the amount that's there, so? $160. So that means say you have 1,600 for me whenever you get paid.
So I did fare you give me.
Listen up.
Suppose my mama
Them
want
have hockey tree around there and around that spring. Spring round there. Can one couple here can go down a spring and drink a spring water. Free, not catching fees. If you not make, if you last your way, call me. Just go and do it. Hurry up and go on because they will get smart enough. I try to run one bush place and get nobody else. Go on and go because
you know, you could have given me $100 to buy one water though, because farm me I go.
I don't love beg too much. Yeah, girl picking. You have to beg.
I can answer one question?
Beg man money. Go on.
So I can answer one question? Me just beg you $100 for this and then. So when you come knock on my door night time, I beg me nothing.
Beg you what?
But you me beg you $100, I beg everything
I
good.
beg you, yeah.
So what?
But what do I get?
So no better me beg you than thief.
But if I beg you and I get,
Me want go look you work here.
I know you that sweat. Go and look the work right now. Don't talk to me, act.
You know when me go look the work too, I want stuff from beg you. Because when people beg you, no go on like no more.
Don't chat to me, Lieutenant. Lieutenant.
Dirty $60.
My friend, you have to play a new bestie.
Which new bestie? Oh, she seems to you. A little half. I should make it sorry for people, you know.
You look like her. What is it?
Woman,
Friend,
you
my
look
friend,
general. She look general. But I show me have sister and you want to with the ass woman, you don't want to look that way.
We are feeling low.
Hey man, me have a little breakfast.
You we have new bestie.
No, me not know bestie but you know. I ain't involved with nobody.
I wish new best to that day me at your boat. Hey, hey.
Where you come from? That's it. That's it.
I road pace.
I will make this.
I'm here going to make up little breakfast.
Which new bestie? Which new bestie?
You know how to run this up?
You believe me say, one girl come a last night and make him sleep on the veranda what they so.
But he lucky, he goody, he parent.
Then fire go tell me say true. Me and Kira invite her in a place and a big fish is stay here. He might wait for go parent for her.
Uno.
What are we?
What are you? Me just pay my rent out this side. So I make sure she not pay no rent. You lucky though.
You say nah know if it's stay.
A homeless creature.
Yeah. Everything gonna laugh. I know, so I don't know if you build sometime and the whole away a woman, that's why I'm making the come in. So,
What she did? She know.
we have to help her out though if we chump up and little money.
Give me some. Where brings we? Give me some more time back.
Boy, on easy. Things is that. Yeah. Rich bit for days.
You don't want to dry biscuit, you know, so come up again.
A dry biscuit alone in the jaja.
No,
Here I
no
alone
cheese.
get through. You alone is good in your life. Here.
No cheese. Think me that friend now, I'm saying I read the night on me.
Kira, come like I'm here, a friend, and I will tell me I wrote for you alone. Because you alone get through, though.
You should find new bestie.
Oh, come in then. You have something more for sure.
What you want now? Cause me give you veranda. You take all, you take room, you take everything. Take over the whole place. In a one man in. We get up this man now, I'm gonna come and see place empty me and say, yes, you are such a wonderful person. Me say, me see you on the road, but I buy you one Guinness. I want Heineken. But you just let me down because now, instead of out, you the indoors up. So now, what you want now? You want Tanya? What make a deal with you? Right? If you can come up with $1,500 per week, because they might pay $15,000 per month. No matter if you want to sell bags on the road and sell bags, anything you want to do, just carry $1,500 a week. Alright? You can Tanya with them.
I must explain the situation to you already, you know. Right now, we don't have nowhere else to go. See, then me have to box food out of hog mouth to survive. In a nice out there. So I ask you, please, if we can stay here.
You see, the hard sentiment, don't do it again. But I can feel a little sufferation in you.
Alright, we feel it too.
You know, see, you want funny somebody, you have a long life here, so you will start, you will stay here for a while. Kira! You and your next friend come here. When me I say no, you know what? We're going to go on now. I don't talk to her. She want to beg for her. I'm saying I don't really want you to stay. Well, me as like woman. Round me. Me rather 100 women. Round me, so she can stay. Right? Because you know I can want to place like a girl. And please, I beg you, don't make your face develop the same look with the film face of miserableness. You know what I mean? Try to keep love in your heart and happy. You know what I mean? I remember that, alright, I and I say you can stay. You know what I mean? So, enjoy yourself, man.
She a parent.
No. She's a good man. I see her look finish now and up to the stage. She's a good man.
Okay.
Because when I beg for her, you know, some of the sorry, make it go on.
So which part she go sleep though?
Ah, well, we probably go to sleep, you know. You're not probably sleep anyway. Ah, there's a lot of settee in there. She can put 2 of them settee there and you make one. Your big friend control the big settee, but there's 2 little settee in there. Join the them together and sleep, right? You see, know yourself, man. Then say, do good and good blessing will follow you. So may I do good as I can. So, you're alright. Know yourself. Yeah? But one thing I tell you, try to find some work to do. Because you see when people idle, you'll go chat and get yourself in trouble. So no chatting, them beg for you, you're there, but try maintain to stay here. So you go find work though. You understand? Find work. Go out the road, go look work. Alright. I'm not enjoying this, I think so, I go up on the road.
Come.
You know, I'm not cussing me for only, you know. Anytime when you fall out, you know, remember me telling you, you know, a problem here, you know. Because we don't push up, so woman and woman, pot cover, when pot cover start knocking and be nice, you know.
Yo, you know, step on a big man level though. Me not just a new girl, you know.
What am I gonna trust a girl, Ashley? You ever have problem with people?
Something about the girl for real. Remember me tell her this morning me see her about you know. Yeah? And me I tell her say if something no go so, when me pray, you near for go so. You more too keen up, brother. Too much information in that the lip there.
You ever, you ever have problem with people, you know?
Right now we have to go pray if we just set a plan. Either we are going to drop some money, something we have, me have got 5 grand. We have to go drop it or set it and make it come in here. You see me?
And see if you give it
And see
back.
if you go give it back our TV.
You look like him being too holy, man. I don't feel like he not take out nothing.
I want to talk more.
Ashley, I say not trust the girl that will come.
Not just him for real, something about him.
So what now plan to do?
We are planning to hide some money and see if he can go TV or something like that. Set a trap for him.
Care. So you feel about that so?
You know, say though, I true, I'm not really used to the place. I just say I go stay out here so and give no particular no invade.
A good something that you're a good girl.
What's now so?
A true man.
So it's been like on the kill.
Go feel like, sir. Please, me I beg you.
Really?
You're on our back room. Please.
Amazing.
Now follow it.
See like fall here. I will drop the 5 grand here.
But I mean, we are finding.
It's like yeah, why can't you just go so?
But
You're a good girl, you know? Kind of people that give it back. I rate you for that.
yeah, tell her.
Watch her. Yeah, I agree. We are do that for. May I make you something spray for the girl?
You want to clean up your background. You want to clean up on the background.
Ram to your man, Daddy. You ram too much enough for your big woman.
Cut it down.
What call this?
Give me a friend. I'm going to cut down for a night.
How are this?
You know, go over the shop
So,
and tell the lady, send one fish season come. We go first, so tin mackerel. And make some, you want some rice and tin mackerel?
No.
Me and Dust one, I'm a brown girl up on my nerve, I'm not a loud nice. You may say no. Me, this a brown girl there, love her, but that gone already, so right now I focus on some money now. So I say money, not like nice. Some people cut down for the nice, I say, you know. You understand me I say? If I got a bank and you nice, it, we're not going to market for no money that don't know you nice. You
Money
understand?
like nice.
Some want some money to come, yes sir. See if no money now come, yes sir. I want to know when the money come, rent and something there, we're not going to live for, yes sir. So the nice, just cut down for the nice, move on with the meditation.
Fire.
When every girl come back, tell her to knock me up.
You talk about money no like nice. After you spend off the whole of your money for new man and new girl, if you all of a sudden money no make like nice.
We are paying 50,000 for rent and can't make nice.
15. I don't think cat and croak I cat no go on. It's 45,000. You don't get 50. Oh no, 45 grand for that girl. I look at that to no one for them, make 52,000. I don't know pay no rent yet.
but we no business with you.
I'm not talking about that, you know. Go on, do not but cut down for the nice.
No youth. This not real. Yeah, not gonna know you what I'm gonna say. Right now we have to go find somewhere for going over there. Cause we can't the right us and have no funny now. We are young girl. You know look good.
And I lie, you know? The man I take advantage of it.
We can't make no nice.
But that girl let us pass that they so easily. I don't rate that this style. And if you try mix her up. You wanna with dry girl aside, you see?
Yeah.
And chat when I will chat out when I will head back. And see if she that tell me.
I have 2 lips and we have 2 tongues too.
See girl come and see my crush.
Oh, fire there.
See if we can knock it door.
I first me see somebody have fish seals and fry mackerel. Kill me dead at 2 paraffin to my body.
What is that? What is that?
No, son, you have to give me bigger money if you have to take it.
Bomba!
I'm not getting on, I'm not come here.
You try hard but it not work.
You know nothing about it.
So you need 10. The man lucky doing on my face and give me 45
You don't stop laugh. Everything on the skin out.
Can you use the
I love people too much that we do. What's it? I love it. Come best dog.
No go on. Come on.
Come on here. You sell out.
You see you? You see you? That must get alright. You must get right up.
You see them? I would talk about friend and I laugh and I go on and I joke them and make one time them see my bad mind and I know say they bad mind. I used to see that one there named Ashley, she could have things, you know. She have one man where have one big Pajero van and he make him man a clown him out and I do things to him in a van before he make him man bring him to the hotel. He could have things, you know. She could have enough something. But he make him man a clown him out.
Oh. I want to read out your chat say. You know, say little I mix up. Ashley, I can't help.
Yes, I guess.
You know, so that girl let us see me go on nice and big and mix up, you see. I do like a bone in him. And she go like say him saint and he not have sex and he have one little market man where dig him out. Ugly. Sometimes more just left yourself around with them because them don't know friend. No kind of friend they be. I do like a bone in them. All dirty friend too, girl. Your friend too, my friend in them.
You know, say do. Me not like what I go on. First you come, tell me something about she. Then you come out here chat she on fit tappy.
What?
On fit tappy, live as one.
Who that
Me
chat?
come here say and see you no unite. Wanna come tell me no one another business for. Furthermore, me don't like mix up and no come to me with no one another business.
Really care your face in a girl.
Think me not me face for what? Me I speak the truth.
Can you pass the test more?
Is that test your man?
Big up.
We are real people here, so we don't run joke with the friendship.
No,
We keep
sir.
the circle so man.
No.
Me never know say I test that.
See that sure.
If you need a party, you have to
money.
come out.
See there. All the money, see there.
You want me to take up your money?
Everything we have to do.
You know, say, sorry for bother, because you like you just wake up. You know, say, I want a girl me I look for. One pretty girl named Dolly. He kind of big mouth, but his mouth not so big, but he have big forehead. New, she just come about the place.
No, say no, so I don't know name so. Around my yard, I go bed right now, because I look so correct for the person. No name so.
Alright, thanks. I'll go.
Alright.
Bye. man.
You know look for her.
I want me a walk and look for, man. I want me a walk and look for. So, give me something, man, go and look walk see me.
Every minute, me have to feed you. We tell you feed you, I somebody will let you know fast food, you know. That's it.
Give me something, man. Give me one water and we can't eat them alone. I'll choke.
No! Me give you a room, go look at hard. Go on. Go on, go look work for you, come from country and me a feed you.
No, brother, me have family, man.
Right now, me walk so till me tired. Right? You see which part me turn up? No way, no sign. Nothing like that no market so we sell gas. You go to Springfield? No, me tired. You did tell me say Springfield. Me say Springfield Square. Go on Springfield Square. On your left hand side. Me no see. The left hand side going to south. The left hand side going to south. Me see. You know, you want me to tell you. Me tell you we mark on the sign. Ministry of Education, Sheffield Primary School.
At the wrong place there. If I don't say there, at the wrong place there. They sign up go down a school road at different places there, man.
Me not see no Springfield.
You want to go part, me tell about spring. A while ago, me talk about spring. Why not listen me talk to you? Yeah, I listen to you, but you know listen me say, I say Springfield.
So at Springfield, I did say me think you say Sheffield.
You have to go part, you're going one corner. Yeah, I know so one corner going a while ago, but the corner wrong corner. Go and walk and go down one next hill, then go down one next hill, go up on hill and go up on hill, go down one corner, go down next corner, till you see one deep corner, you probably some bike taxi, go Springfield. Over the sea I go. When you go over the sea now, you see two road in front of you, when you go walk over the so you take the one, go round one next corner up on your right hand. Continue walk, you will see sign the mark. Gas. And you go over there, help the gas man them work, them give you money.
Wrong place no walk come. Alright then. Alright, thanks. Hello? Yeah, me reach out. I want to turn off right there. So I see one sign mark IGL sold here. Yeah, me see sign. Me walk over there and look.
Good afternoon, ma'am. What can I do for you?
Good afternoon. You have any vacancy here? Me really need one job, sir.
We really know, ma'am. You see, this kind of work, as you can see, is man work, you know, ma'am. You curious you can manage it?
If me can manage it, look at me. You know, see me strong black woman. Hold this to me. If me can do it, me can lift up more than one of them, two of them one time. Look.
Okay, ma'am.
Look. You see that?
Yes,
me
ma'am.
strong. And me I'll if it possible, make a three. Me put one for my head, so and what? And lift up the other one. And me gone and lift it halfway and come back to the next one. Me no joking.
Yes, ma'am.
I hit that.
Yes, ma'am. You see, so you can manage your work, so come and me show you if you do.
Thank you.
You see, all of them pan inside, so when you go in there and take them out and wash them off and put them back inside there.
No problem. I hope you're so strong, you know.
Yes, man, I am make out you can't pop it down.
Alright.
Good.
Hello. Are you from around here? Me a walk. Me a look for one girl named Dolly.
Are you who you?
And this
Me not tell you where me come from, whether me come from here or me not come from here. So me not know you're a stranger. Me fi tell you if me come from around here. What you want?
I understand I'm a stranger, you know. I'm a look good stranger, but I'm looking for a girl named Dolly. She's my girlfriend. She come from upper country and come down here so she try to get a better life. But me come down here and try to find her because me and her to start a life together. You understand? So that's what I'm looking for. So don't be rude or anything. I'm just a look good stranger just trying to find my girlfriend.
Dalu?
Dolly.
Me no know nobody name, so don't ask me no question. Who you?
You ever go road left feet?
I don't like when you want to go road. I don't want to go no road.
Well, we feel to go road today, so you can't call it man and ask if you can't go river go take a cool off.
Want come or go with the too?
Well, you can't come, yes, but... Well, if you want to come, you come enjoy yourself, yeah, girl. One life you have to live.
Hello, babe. You know some of my friend them there who want to go on the river? We there we yard. See him? No. Alright, yeah. He said yeah. Come in!
Quick door.
Yo, how are you going? Oh, now go.
You go river.
What you have to do?
She come.
Hello, come in, sir. Come in, sir. I see you must look work. Can you work, River?
But I want to have fun too.
Oh, some fun up of you have?
No.
Alright, if you think you're bad, go on. You think a fun build a place here? And no fun turn on the light, you know. And no fun pay the bills them. Me say go look work. You a young girl, go work. No follow them, you know. You see where the man drive, boom boom. You have a man that drive boom boom too?
No, I don't have no man.
So what you go do? You go walk, work, help yourself. You have to live for free. You go work and you can help yourself.
But we can't go have fun today and work.
Alright, go on. If you think about it, go on. If you go on, you go on. Me not hold you, know. But remember, say, if you go with them, you can't come to work tonight. You have a choice. Me only can help you. So you can help yourself. You don't go on the far. Because you don't know what to do, you know. But hope say, you don't have the red money. If red money not, alright, you don't go live a river. When I talk to you, I know I get upset, you know. Tap down your hand. Tap down your hand.
Oh, go on. Where you call me for?
No, but that's a short, you know, so alright. You alright?
How is she? My first me I see her.
I want a new girl last night, she didn't know if you stay, I'm just say she can't jam me, so.
Right there, sir?
Yeah, right, so.
So you all put new tenant on veranda?
No, she's not a tenant.
She what?
She's a catcher. Free. I mean, this time she's a squatter, she's a catcher. Right, she didn't know if you stay last night, she said, catch right there, so. Because she can't come in my room, and she can't go in her girl room, because, you know, she can't come in her room. So what do I do? I could have to see out on the road. I do better than what most people do, right?
You sure say just one night you put her up for? Or one night you girl them?
Make I tell a story, you would think I'm crazy. I put her dust up, and when we wake up this morning, I look for her, yeah, so she did real road dust, I do all sorts of different things, and she and people I know her friend. Cut long story short, she has stay with them in dust because of them and I go respond to dust. I don't care about that. Then now I sleep on one bedroom, we set that rule already, different from that. Hello. Go inside now. Go do it. And go find something in there do. Get yourself ready. Put on something. So since you put on dress up clothes, you can go a river. Put on something. Come okay, I got links money can get some work. Give I want shop to sell. Where do? Put on something. Pants and blouse. You know, between you know, Candy. I want your cousin, you know. You want your cousin, cause some of the time when things are go good, people want to mash up it. Your cousin like you want to breed that girl, man.
You see, my cousin and mingle with them, the girl.
Me say your cousin are a robot. Me say your cousin are a robot, Candy. Last night we got dance, me and Brownie that dance for flash. And you know, I really bounce and we are doing the thing down to the dirt and we feel good. But we cross it free. Who over the Anna the big one, is one of the big breasts. Who the Anna so? Jump on, you know. Me say, but when them done, me see them cut down the femtade and me say, warn him. Your cousin must have money still. If you have money, me have a problem, you know. Can you pay the girl rent, you know?
Pay which girl rent? My cousin not pay no girl rent. You mad?
Yeah.
You just tell me.
No, listen, man. And your cousin, why you going so like emotional? You're happy for your cousin. Go like your bend.
You don't want to hear nothing more about my cousin.
No, it's a message me I give you. We just make sure just tell him
so. I want to make him choose to go and
tell want him take care.
How long since you see that?
Last night. Last night we were on the beach whole night. You know, so we got a party last night. Stretch out. Oh, you move so like your family ram. Happy for your cousin. Yo, between me and you know. The boy they get peace.
Peace hour.
I want them alone my dancing, you know. If a fun fee in the dancing, you will have them. I want alone my dancing. And him a dig it, and him a jag it, and him a do everything. Rough.
Fire, me have something to take care of on the road. Me see you.
Alright. Carrie. Oh, come now, man. When I've got on the river already long time now, if you go get a look walk here, you have to take so long. Check me and check if you can get a look work in the evening, man. Oh, come on, man. Listen, now. Listen to me. Come on. Me I did it like I'm a dad, you know. You understand?
Every time when you drop here. Well, hey, look for me, son.
Are you me did a come check, you know?
Are you me a come check too?
Right now, me vex with you.
What, because I just give 10, at 10 me figure, I give 9? Or what? And 9,000 me have at the time, or what? Are the money thing I talk about?
I don't talk about no money. You think me no hear say you party on beach with girl? Hold on here. Let me see, because you act like me an idiot. What them here? Look, see it there. Look, sand grain. See them a then all are flashing on my mouth. Where you do up there so with girl? Where you tell me say you go?
You tell you say me sick. I drop down in the dirt, you know. What you talk about? Sand, I know sand, this and dirt.
So all of a sudden sand look like dirt now. You're there on camera all over the place. Where you go so far? Eh? You're not there on live stream. Eh? You're live, you're there on live like when people go on live with their phone. Everyone on the camera them me can see up and I'm a friend who work at a hotel who call me and tell me about it so me go look on you and me see you.
Me? You see me? This a Rasta ya? I know me man. Remember say a nigga, you know. The home of the Rastas, you know. Look for you. Say you went to that too? Eh? You went to see yourself on camera? Let me tell you something, man. Don't accuse me of something what you don't see. You can't say you see me on camera.
Boy.
Eh? You wait. You
me don't want to hear nothing from you. A public your name you already published in a crowd. People see you. You can't tell me nothing. Me see you on the camera. So me blind.
Me sick. I'm there on me back. I'm drop. I'm here try to call your phone.
You know say your style
and then no look for me so. Candy. Don't.
Public. You think me? Alright, me not catch you. But me must catch it, girl. Run! Run, not that run. Watch me, you. Must think it go so wait till I hold you.
Someone have a bar, you know. You can check.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Yo. Anytime I can check. Come in. Come on, Mr. You not get nobody broke up at the bar yet.
No, sir.
Alright. Are you lucky there? See that girl there? The girl look like you turn up. Man, you come my bar, come by because of she.
Come here, talk to you.
Seriously, here?
Don't move, you know. Well, it's like a thief, you know. Better you forget another one.
You want to look like it can work?
No, sir.
Alright. But I'll try to get a different smile still, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
You know where you go?
I hope I bar me, I go stick. I want to get up there thief, so I walk there so I go on.
So what you do? Come support your friend and so?
Yeah, man.
You have to do it, man. I want movement, you know.
That's all right, man. I'm up on the road.
Well, it look like you're not going to work out. You see, I look too good for working in the bar.
You look good? You like me? You like me?
No. Ready?
Ashley, you know come. Ashley.
Me not come in no water.
Why?
Water too cold. Look at me nose on it. Call me nasty.
Where you run for? That's why I give you a bone with girl. Wait up your back. Come on. Alright.
I'm not going in the water, but me put my foot in the water. That better?
Yes. Give me that now. We are going to dance.
Care. Sorry. Alright?
Yeah, me good man.
Oh, you alone sit down out here so by yourself. The girl did not come back yet.
No, they not come back, you know. But I then me there wait for.
Okay.
You know, so don't me like your hair. Your hair fit your face good, you know. Me nah lie, you know. You look nice for your big woman, you know. So you know have no over, they can't give me fit it.
May I go check me some come back?
Alright.
This may I have to give you.
Oh, I can make some tea. Thanks.
You're welcome. See, night nothing.
No, you know. Nobody know there. Me alone there still right here. So one of them will wait to come. And then now we fire it.
And night now from morning, you know, you nothing so with fire gone. You know, let's not give you neither.
You know, if nothing give me and me not work, so you know, so me not have nothing.
Alright then, may I go back over my room to lie down here?
Alright, thanks.
Okay.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
How are you out there from?
I'm a cousin may wait on.
Alright.
Kira,
Oi.
come here then.
Yeah?
Somebody out the road that call you.
Me?
Yeah, somebody out the road that call you.
Who gonna call me?
I don't know, now your name Kira.
Alright, so. You stand there, we are do. I'm a deep to nobody.
What do you mean I don't see nobody?
We are do.
What do you mean with me I do?
Me and your friend, Dolly.
Leave people man. Daddy.
Let him go. Daddy, better leave me friend, you know. Hey, girl. Hey, your child will control it, you know. Will control it, you know.
Are you cast this, you know?
Me?
Are you cast this?
How me cause this?
You cast everything we happen right here, so.
I want to go on here, sir.
She try to beat me and I lick me in my face. She.
Why you going to get a little picnic, sir? You can't make candy beat you after and then mama. I get well ten of them for.
What you mean when me a lick your tenant them for? But say me no fi care no man ya so. So you are only man to say at your place. This a dirty girl you are there with me, man. You're bright.
You there, Candy, man? Candy, who are your man? Cousin, who are Candy, man?
Me and cousin, I don't know who are man.
I lie my tell, and our cousin are we man.
Hey, girl. Yo, what me have to know? You're there for Milan, right?
No, sir.
How like my grill?
Candy!
Candy! Up in the grill. Up in the grill, going to my house. What's the one?
me man grill. You want to call him over here.
Up in the grill.
Come.
Don't call me name.
I call me man, you live over here, I come here, key. Look where you put you. And I understand, you say, a bad man for this one. Come, man.
Hello. Go in the room.
Carry her
Go in the room. Go in the room.
You always a come on knock on the door. What's you?
Come, where you go? Kira, come!
I hear
Come!
Yeah. What going out there in the world? That's up yourself, you know what I mean? You see the fan there blow a while ago. You hear the nights there. So watch it now. We'll start back over. Glory be to the Most High. So if you don't subscribe, go subscribe now. You know what I mean? Like, share. Tell a family, tell a friend. You know what I mean? We're on the road to greatness. You know what I mean? So help us. Get us there. You know what I mean? We're traveling in the valley of decision. You know what I mean? And that's over there every day for make some new decision. But you take what you take and go do what you do. I hope you understand if you're out in the world. You know what I mean? But it's time to join the movements forward. Because it's only one road forward, you know. And it's forward. Take a look around and see what's going on. You like what you see? If you don't like what you see, make a change. So that's what we take it from that. We don't sit down and talk, you know what I mean? But it hasn't been an uphill ride to get where we are and where we want to go. We can cite it from here to say now go smooth. You go rough and rugged. Richard Brown Flames, JAMMIWOOD City. You know what I mean? We go take it to the world. And with your help, so you have a responsibility just like we have a responsibility. Push forward. So every time you share the content and every time you tell a friend, you tell a family, we're all one. Let's push it. You know what I mean? We can do it. We're 121 on Richard Brown Flames, almost 50 on JAMMIWOOD. So let's make the station, let's keep our subscriber count, carry it up. Because that pump the algorithm, I don't know if I say it right properly, because I'm not too much in the technical part of it. I'm in the part of creating content. So that's what I love to do. But more I understand, say, the more you subscribe though, it's the more vibes and more power we get for pushing things forward. So you always can link Richard Brown Flames on Instagram, same way you can link Curious King, yeah, Curious with a Q, yeah, and then King, Curious King, one word, Instagram. Left me a message, said we can talk, said we, you know what I mean, because it's only one way forward. Unity is strength. So come on, people, let's do it, you know, man. No matter where you come from in the world, well, a reason. Let's see how we can make the world a better place. One move at a time. You know what I mean? That's all we have to do. Just do the best we can do and see if we can teach the world to be better people. You know what I mean? but we want to put some fun in it. So we're going to have some different things that come up now. I think we'll do some comedy. So you want some comedy? Leave my note. Just leave a comment. Let me know what you look for. Yeah, I'm going to write it, you know what I mean? I know you're going to like it. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Again. Yeah, last but not least, I want you big up all of the... First, I big up now. The sponsor them who make it possible. Sky, big up yourself too. Sponsor Back and Track. You know what I mean? Big up yourself. Yeah? So, big up all of the producer them now. Antoinette, Jules, so much overall settings. We have Reggae Vibes. We have a next city from Canada. Yeah man, so big up all the producer them. Jules, Antoinette, Reggae Vibes, Stacy. What about more? It's overall settings. So cool breeze. So enough. Yeah, so big up on yourself and continue. Thank you for believing the dream and the contribution. Remember, movies a lifetime. So all we have to do now is try promote these movies and make other people get to see them. Because these are some great movies. You know what I mean? So thank you guys for watching. And please subscribe, like, and share. Link somebody, man. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. You guys been doing it. Continue doing it. Let's make it a better place. You know what I mean? Burn down to the ground. And remember, the 24th of March, my birthday, all road lead to the bank, Western Union, all them place there. Send a gift. You know hard. Just send a something, man. Make I can turn cozy. Make a boy can look good for birthday. You know what I mean? At next week Thursday. Next Thursday? I don't sure. But anyway, 24 there, I just say there. So anything you want to do, send I something. Road leads to the shopping mall too. If you want to buy something. Anyway, picture if you want somebody where want to go pick up it. So pick up anyway and pick up it. Can't come here. Yeah. All road leads to somewhere where you can get a gift. Alright? So enough respect. Well appreciated. Burn it down to the ground. Live and live in color. 24 of March, I'm Earth Strong. I think I'm going to go live. I think maybe have most of the people going to perform for me because they're not forgive me differently. So they're going to give me a performance. Yeah, they sing for a song for me. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, even that, give thanks. Burn it down to the ground. You know first ever nothing, man. That's life for the greatest. You know what I mean? So, it was a pleasure talking to you. I'm happy to have a big family worldwide. Jamaica, Brad. From the kids them to the whole of people them. We are all one. You're all my family. And me and our family. So for me and our family you can reason. Call I up. You know what I mean? Just call I. Call I on my phone. And we talk. Tell me happy birthday. Send me a gift. Send me one of them something they have on the internet. Just send me happy birthday mark on it. Bam! I good. I great. You know what I mean? Love, it's coming at you. Can't escape. One love.